What if I told you? The world doesn't always need a boss. What if forests survive? Fisheries recover. Water flows. Not because governments control everything. Not because corporations own everything. But because ordinary people quietly cooperate. For decades, experts believed only two things could save shared resources: private ownership or strict government control. And everyone else? They were expected to fail. They even had a name for it. The tragedy of the commons. The idea was simple. If something belongs to everyone, people will destroy it, overuse it, exploit it, ruin it. It sounded logical. It sounded scientific. It sounded inevitable. But one woman asked a dangerous question. What if this story about humans is wrong? Her name was Elinor Ostrom. She wasn't a billionaire. She wasn't a politician. She wasn't running a global institution. She was a researcher. With a notebook. And a belief that people deserve more credit. Instead of building theories in offices, she went to villages. To farms. To fishing communities. To forests in remote regions. And she didn't ask, how should this work? She asked, how does this actually work? And what she found shocked the world. In place after place, people were not selfish destroyers. They were rule makers. Problem solvers. Protectors. Farmers shared irrigation water, fairly. Fishermen set limits, together. Communities created systems, without police, without corporations, without chaos. No collapse. No tragedy. Just cooperation. Slow. Imperfect. Human. But real. The people closest to the problem often know the solution. Why it's popular. This idea resonates because it respects everyday people. It challenges top-down control and matches real life. Locals understand their own needs better than distant authorities. Rules work best when we make them together. Why it's popular. It reflects how schools, families, teams, and communities succeed. People follow rules they help create. Trust is a resource, and it grows when used. Why it's popular. Modern life often feels distrustful. This saying reminds us cooperation builds strength, not weakness. Shared responsibility protects shared resources. Why it's popular. Environmental issues make this powerful. It shows protection doesn't only come from laws, it comes from collective care. Humans are not just selfish, we are social. Why it's popular. It challenges the cynical view of human nature and feels hopeful, backed by real-world examples. Elinor Ostrom proved something radical. When people are trusted. When they are heard. When they work together. They don't destroy the commons. They protect it. Maybe the real tragedy was never the commons. Maybe it was underestimating us.